Alright, kids, Dad is gonna show you guys how to solve number 13. Okay. Alright, first of all, what do we have? What's our givens? fx, a, n, and our error bound, or whatever you call that. Anyways, let's do our table because table is pretty easy. Alright, so it says n equals 2. Okay. So which means that we stop at 3. So let's do n is here, and here's the derivative, and here's the a equals 1. So since n equals 2, we start from 0, 1, 2, and then put 3 here for just in case we find the error. Alright, now what do we do? Well, Daddy got you guys. Yeah, calm down, okay? So first thing, we need to convert 0 over x, 1 over x into x negative 1. That's going to be x negative 1 here. Derivative of x negative 1 is negative x negative 2. Negative x negative 2. Now derivative of that is 2x negative 3. 2x negative 3. Nice. Derivative of that is negative 6. Negative 4. Nice. Good job, guys. Good job, good job. Negative 6 x negative 4. Alright, nice. I don't even know how to do this. I don't even know how I did that, but wow, I just solved it. That's what I thought when I first did this. Anyways, what do we have for this? Okay, so it says a equals 1. Just plot. So a equals x. Alright, so now use this. So 1 equal x. So x negative 1. So that's 1 negative 1. What is it? You got that right, kids. Good job. 1. And then f prime, this one's gonna be negative 1, and this one's gonna be positive 2. We're going to leave this one alone for now. We're gonna worry about that later, okay, kids? Anyways, what should we do from here? Well, I got you guys. Remember the Taylor polynomial t, let's call it tp, t2. All right, so what do we have for this one? So it's gonna be t2x equals 1 over here, 1 now minus x minus 1 because it's negative here. You see that? Okay, plus 2 over 2 and x minus 2 squared. Don't forget the squared. All right, that's it. But let's simplify this. So it's gonna be 1 minus x minus 1 plus x minus 1 squared. Oh, my bad. 1. Now that is our answer for part 1. Okay, but we're finding the error bound, EB, Ebola, or error bound, whatever you call it. But EB is the short term because I have short term memory lost. So yeah, here you go, trauma dump, guys. Anyways, that f3 because we're finding the third derivative. That's when the third one comes in handy. This one over here. So what do we do? Equals negative 6 x negative 4 on, remember it was on 0 0.7 and 1.3, 0 0.7 and 1.3. All right. let's change this real quick because that one looks pretty hard to do. So we're going to change it to 6 over x to the power 4. Okay, now you must be wondering which one should we plot in. Well, think of it this way. If we plot in 1.3, it's going to get bigger, which means that it's going to get smaller, right? And we put 0 0.7, it's going to get smaller, which means that it's going to be bigger. So I we'll do 0.7. Okay. All right. So it's gonna be m equals 6 over 0.74. We're not done just yet. Remember the equation? It was r2 x less than or equal to. This is important, guys. Write this down. 3. That's the integral. I mean, that's the 3 over here. 3 over here. And then x minus 1 and then to the power of 3. Which, let's plot it in. It's going to be 6 times, let's just do this. 6 times 0.7 to the power of 4. Absolute value of x minus 1 to the power of 3. Which we get, okay, 6 crossed out, so we get x minus 1 to the power of 3 over 0.74, 0.74, 0.7 to the power of 4. All right. Now we know that R2 is, oh crack, R2 is less than or equal to 0.33 over 0.74. All right. So we're just gonna give us 0.1125, and that is our answer, depending on how many sig figs the lecturer or the teacher wants you guys to do. Anyways, Daddy loves you. Dr. Dum Dum loves you. Anyways, have a good night and have a great day.